viewer, we are going to make another shape. Let's try to use the design. I will add a shape there. We have to use it an attraction. Add new designs. We will use an eraser tool. Let's add a paint there. Again I will make the selection on that side. Similarly we will repeat the process here.